Blabberize is an online service that allows you to take a picture and make it talk. You do have to have an account with Blabberize, but it's a simple and fast process to create one. Once you have an account, you have to log on and then click on Make. From here, you have to go and find a picture. I'm going to browse, go to a picture that I have saved on my desktop. I'll open it. It opens into Blabberize with a frame around it that you can move around. You can also click and drag these little balls on the corners to crop your picture, and then you click the arrow to move on. Next step is kind of the tricky part. This is the mouth, and you can adjust the size of the mouth by dragging these little handles on the side, and the idea is to make it form in approximately the shape of the mouth that you're going to make move. And it's kind of a tricky process. You can go back and edit if you'd like to do that. This big green ball on the bottom is for the direction of the movement and for how far the mouth opens. So we'll try about like that. I'm going to click to move on, and then you have to select your sound. You can do this a number of ways. One is you can record directly from a microphone. You can also upload a sound that you have already saved, and you can use a phone and record directly from your phone as well, just like a microphone. I'm going to select an audio file that I have saved on my desktop. I'll open that. And at this point, I can click play and see what I've got. You can click OK, and then if you're not satisfied, you can go back and edit any part of it. I'm not quite satisfied with my mouth, so I'll click the mouth, and I'm going to make this move in a little more here. I'll go back. I can click edit again and play, see my results. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to save it. You do have to give a title. You do have to give a description, which can be basically anything. You do have to give at least one tag, and I'll just give it 2 tags. Click private if you don't want anybody else to see it, and then save. You can also share it. If you click the share it button, you're given the code, which you can then just copy. And I'm then going to open up SharePoint. And in SharePoint, I'm on the code section here. I'm going to just paste the code that I copied, and I'm going to save this page as a web page, and I'll also just save this on my desktop. And I'll call it Talking Camel. I already have one of those, so yes, I want to replace the one I have there. I can close SharePoint, and I can open up my Talking Camel. I have to enable ActiveX, and there it is. I can click play. So now I can enclose that web page in email or direct people to it if I put it on a website. That's Blabberize.